Good morning, everyone. Today is the 23rd of June. It is 11:31 here in the UK. Let's take a look at US30 analysis as usual. So I did not trade yesterday, did not do a video as well, just because there was a whole lot of news, and so I did not trade the red folders. So let's take a look and see what price is giving us as of now. I'm just going to hide all of the markings just so that we have a clear picture. So clearly price was on an uptrend and it broke structure right here. So at I thought the price was going to go like further up a bit more because it was a change of character, come back retest the zone and go right back up again. But right now, I think if this, because this is the low here, so we have got a low right there. Sorry, guys, kind of losing my throat, my voice. So we have had a low here, which price has come out and taken that low. So if you guys can see, and if I turn it back on, it will show. So you can see the daily low has been taken out by this candle, but this candle has not yet closed on the daily, obviously. So I'm going to drop down to the 4 hours. So in order for us to say that, price is actually going to go on a downward momentum, then we want price to close below the previous low. All right. As of now, on a daily time frame, I don't consider this a break of structure as of yet, and I do not consider this to on a downtrend as of today. All right, so let's just go to the 4 hour. So 4 hour, clearly we are making lows, and if you see here, you've got a high and then you've made a low here right there, and obviously you already know that the previous low was broken. So I am waiting to see where price is actually stabilizing because I want to see where the next high is going to be forming as of now, and clearly price is teetering. It's not giving a push to the upside, so um it makes me believe the price is still very much wanting to go down, if that makes sense, guys. Right? So these are the areas if you look here, like let's just scroll down. So price obviously is broken this here. Can you guys see it's closed way below? It's not just taking it out, it's closed. Okay, hold on. If we talk about this low here, price is close to below, the body is close to below this week, but then we've got this long week here that I'm actually looking out for, which is what I am really wanting to see what price is going to do at this point. Okay. However, we do have a whole lot of liquidity, which I think price could be really drawn to instead of doing a retracement to the upside first. So as of now, I am looking for sells because that's what price is giving me. It sells. I'm just waiting for a right entry first. So if I was going to drop it down, you see these lines here, they are basically just session lines, guys. So I'm actually going to delete this. Okay. So it's just marking up sessions really. So this is like from yesterday's New York. I just marked up the highs and the lows, just so we kind of see where liquidity gets grabbed. Yeah, so this morning when Asian closed, I know, sorry, when London closed yesterday, Asian came and took all the sideways liquidity right here. You can see I've marked up, so it's a massive tank, took all of that out. So it gives me the belief that price could be looking to push down even further, right? So for me, that's what I'm looking for right now. So here you can see there was a new low right here, right? Just this is on a 30-minute candle. So this is probably might be taking entries for low, guys. Right, so here you can see you had a low formed right here. The candle closes below that. I'm waiting for a retest candle, like a push up, a retracement candle. Probably going to short it to take it down back to the daily low and see if it closes below that. to give us an entry, or price could really just be teetering. But I do need the candle body to close below. Right. So let's just go to an hour. Yeah, so the hour lower is it's much there. So here, so for me, I do need the candle body to close below this wick. Then I will see what the retracement does. Because if the retracement is going to close above the high, then obviously I'm not going to be taking the trade. So I'm just going to watch this maybe on a 15 minutes. Yeah. So on a 15 minutes, because you see, this is so you can actually see the lows and highs right at the top here of each candle. So if you hover the candle, you can see what the low was for this candle. So that's 33837, and this is 3, yeah, 3 6. So that is a liquidity that's been grabbed in by this candle to this previous low. So possibly if it doesn't close below, then we are looking to see if price is going to push up. So really waiting for a candle close on this 15 minutes, but clearly it's trying to push down. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so it's pushed down. Let's see what price does at the close of this candle. And then obviously I'm going to be waiting for a retracement, mark up the high, and then I might possibly take it back down, guys. Right, so I am low shorting at the moment on US30 because it's not giving me any confluence for buys or change of structure as of yet on the 15 minute. So that is something that I'll be keeping my eyes peeled on. But however, keep an eyes on your 4 hour as well. So on a 4 hour, if price closes below the low, so at the low of this candle, which is 33768. Yep, I'm gonna give you guys a, so yeah, 33770, round about the area. So if it closes below with a full body at this on this candle, then we are looking for shorts really because price is pushing further down. However, if price is just hovering in this range, then we can expect a push up later for New York. And then I'll be waiting for a break of structure to the upside here before I take the buy sub. And my first take profits would be at this liquidity sweep, which I would believe price hasn't come to touch. That was previous New York session, which price hasn't come and taken a liquidity sweep. So that could be an area of interest that I will be looking at. And if that breaks through, then I will be looking. So this is basically the equilibrium. This I'll be looking for price to go up to the premium zone, which is around 34120 zone. So this is the areas of interest if price decides to push to the upside. If price is pushing down to the downside, then I'm looking for price to break through the daily low and go further down to the next zone, which is 33720. Right, so I'm just going to kind of trade it from zone to zone, but this is at a very crucial area right now because price is just bouncing. I'm waiting for a proper break of structure, a close of body candle below. To me, this looks like a liquidity sweep right there. So we've got another 5 minutes just to see what price is doing, and then I'm going to see what I want to do. But yes, so just depending on where the candle closes, I will be taking entries accordingly, guys. And like I said, if I'm looking for buys, I do need to see a break of structure to the upside on this candle, on this high, before I actually decide to um, go go for buys. Possibly even wait for like a structure break above this as well because it's just too much liquidity. It could come literally week out and tank right back down. So this is something. This is an area that I will be keeping my eyes on. So that's my analysis for today. So hopefully we get a good trade coming up because we do have a fair value gap to the upside as well, guys. Because liquidity has been swept at the bottom. Looks like liquidity is being swept at this level, so I am expecting price to push up further. So let's just see what price does. And happy trading, safe trading. There are rate folders today too, later in the day for New York session. So do be very mindful of slippage and watch your trades. All right, and trade responsibly. So watch your risk management rather. Okay, guys, so see you guys next week with another video. And hopefully, this week has been really slow. I didn't really trade anything this week just because there really wasn't anything setting up. Could have caught this sales at the break of structure, really. But if you can see that, it was just really, you know, I don't know, it was just, yeah, it just didn't give me good. Um, Sales, and there was a lot of news and so on. So I didn't really kind of trade this week as I would have liked to. So hopefully next week is a better week, and see you guys again on the next video.